Today we'll look at how to import simulation files into Teamcenter. We'll begin by going in Simcenter 3D or NX into File, Import, Assembly into Teamcenter. We'll select the item type as Item. The numbering source we'd like to change to OS file name. And this may be dependent upon what your simulation files look like. Here are my simulation files with my master part, and it has an underscore between the name and the Sim2 and the Fem2, as would be typical for default creation of names. So we want the conversion rule to be as ID, and that's very important. Next we want to select Include Component Parts, and we want to include those from the folder, and that will get our Fem, i.prt, and master part. Alright, we're not going to select our assemblies yet. First we're going to continue down the dialog and specify what we want to do with existing parts that exist already in the database. And we'll say use existing. We could overwrite if we want. Next we'll select a destination folder in Teamcenter where we want the parts to go. We need to double click on that folder for it to take it. We can't just single click on it. Next we'll specify a log file if we'd like, and also an associated files root directory, and this is where it's going to look for any associated files such as our analysis input file or results files. We'll also select Add CA Non-Masters to import. Here I'll take the rest as defaults. I'm logged in as Sam. And before we run our dry run, we'll go back up now since we've completed the dialog and select our assembly files to import. And what we want to import is the sim. And if we take a look in the directory, this is also where we have our Fem, i.prt, and master part as well. And we just want to select the sim because it will automatically pick up all the dependent parts. And here you can see that it's picked them up and it's giving them the correct name as well in Teamcenter that it's assigned based on the numbering source and conversion rule that we had selected. So here if we scroll over to the right, we can see the relation type, and that all looks correct for our Fem, i.prt, and Sim. And then lastly, our destination folder, which we'd set as hex dom, and that all looks good. So here we could say OK if we want, but just to be safe, we have a nice little dry run that we can try where it won't actually import the files into Teamcenter, but will tell us what it will do. And so here we can take a look at the info window that comes up, and it will show us exactly what it's going to do. So here for our sim, you can see the name that it will assign in the database. Same thing for our i.prt and our master part and our Fem at the bottom. Alright, so since that looks good, we're ready to say OK, and that will import the files into Teamcenter. And here we get the same info window with the same information. Now we can go into File Open, into our hex dom folder, and we can see the files that we just imported. Here, let's go ahead and open up the sim. And here we can expand our solution, and we'll notice that we also have our results are imported as well, since we said to import those dependent files. And that is how to import files into Teamcenter.